Good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy, Gardening Chronicles. I was out here yesterday on a live trying to save my greens, my collard greens, um, from the worms. They're nasty, and they demolished, not quite demolished, but they were on the road to demolishing my greens. And I want to have some greens survive that I have grown that I can eat. Okay, so I'm back out here the next day, and of course, it rained last night. We have had rain every day for what, 5, 6 days. It rained again last night, and so it washed away all of the stuff or most of the sprays that I put on here. So I'm gonna start out as G Mama instructed me with the soapy water and respray all these greens. And then I'll be um, putting in more onions that I've gathered that have out throughout my garden and some marigolds. I'm gonna have to put my um, tunnel netting tunnel back on here, but I left it outside on the ground last night and it's soaking wet. So I'm gonna have to let that dry out and put that up. But let me get started. I'm gonna start spraying first. And thank you for coming into the live. It's not a lot. Thank you for watching my video. And if you hear in the background, I'm listening to my childhood friend, Brian Robert Foley, Ear to the Ground 197. He has a program that comes on every Saturday morning, who I am a sponsor for. And so came on at 9 o'clock this morning. I just want to have him playing. I might turn it down a little bit. So let me get started. And this is the soapy water. Doing this all over again. So yesterday I was able to put in this big book of marigolds and okay, 1, 2, 3 items. But that's not enough. Pest protector, as your mama said. I'm learning. I'm learning. Didn't know that this is shut down. So sorry. I don't know what you saw and what you didn't see. Wow. Both cameras are blocked. Why did they turn off? What is that? I don't know what you all saw. Both of them back up? Yeah. All right. I don't know what you saw and what you didn't. So I had put these onions throughout and what little bit of marigolds. I'm gonna go get some more out of my um flower bed down here so that I can intermingle them all throughout here. I'm gonna do that off camera. And then I'm gonna take this netting and hang it up over the fence so that it can dry out. Yeah. I can at least I'm gonna take all the clips off and I can at least put the tunnel rods in here and let this dry out a little bit. So what else do I need to do? All right. So these last marigolds, I just need to give them the Epsom salt solution. Yeah, I think I already gave something back. We'll do it. Let me just put a little more soil on this one that's not filming. I'm filming it. Let me just tell them have a great day Have a great day, Brian and Chat. All right, let me what was I doing? Get this soil and stand this one up. I didn't put enough soil. Hey y'all, wish me luck. I'm gonna continue things off camera. Go get some more marigolds. I got a few more onions scattered throughout. I might grab those too. But I know I'm gonna put more marigolds back here in this back area throughout this middle. And hope that this works. All right, peace and love. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon. Deuces.